Welcome back. In this lecture we are going to import animations into our project, and the character and the animation which I have provided into description you can also download from the mixamo.com. So I have downloaded from here and you can see different kinds of animations from here. Just search for walking, so you can download from here, but I recommend you should use the animations which I have provided you into description. Then you can replace those animations. So I assume you have downloaded the all animations, and here you can see different animations. Now go back to your editor, select content folder, and from here create a new folder, name it animations, and in animation folder create new folder, name it animation underscore blueprints, and also create a new folder, another folder, and name it animation, just name it character underscore anim. So from open character animation and drag all the animations into Unreal Engine, and from here choose the skeleton, TPS skeleton, which we have import before, and select import all. So here you can see all the animations. Now next what we are going to select the animation blueprint folder and create a new animation blueprint, name it, select the anim instance, select the TPS skeleton, press OK, and name it TPS underscore character animation, and now create a new animation blend space and select the TPS and name it TPS character anim blend space. So TPS character anim blend space will contain all the animations which will be blending. That's mean from walking to running. Blend space basically contain different blending between different animations. So here you can see a drop sheet where all the keyframes will be here, and we will deal only with these two axes for now. And from here go to first of all sample interpolation and set the value to 5, and from here X horizontal axis, name it just character direction, and set the minimum value. As you can see, you know that when we start moving or running we move at some certain angle, and you know a whole circle contains 360 degrees. So name it minus 180 degree, and also take it 180 degree. Set the number of grids to 8, also vertical axis, and name it character velocity. So at which speed our character will be moving, and obviously minimum value will be 0 and maximum value will be 600, and number of grids I think that's okay for. If you want to just change to 6. Perfect. Save. Now just drag the breathing idle, and you can see our character when at 0 speed it start breathing. So just drag the breathing idle to 0 and just drag and drag. Perfect. Now when our character start walking, you can say, just if it is 0, that would be 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. When our character at 200 speed, so our character start walking. Here you can see. So when our character start walking at some angle, you know velocity has some direction. So our character start left strafe walking, and also from here to right strafe walking. As you can see, our character, as soon as when we start from dragging here, our character start when our character at 600, it start running, and from here if we change just some direction, start and right. Perfect. Just save it, and here you can see. Now go to your TPS game mode, open TPS character, and just select the mesh, and from here select the anim class, that is, just search for the TPS character animation. Go to preview, save it. Perfect. Now that's it for this lecture. In next lecture we will write the first animation blueprint for our character, so that our character will start animating. When we press forward, our character start running, and when we press left and right key, our character start moving left strafing or right strafing. See you in next lecture.